What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Gocrypto to Binance. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly withdraw from your Gocrypto account here to Binance? Well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, Gocrypto here is an app that you can install on your mobile device through Google Play Store. Now, the thing with Gocrypto here is if you go to the about page here, it just says that master crypto trading with real-time simulations and exciting challenges. Now, with that said, the app or Gocrypto here mostly deals with simulation trading. Now, let's go open up the app here and just give you some idea. Now, with Gocrypto here, as you can see, when you first open up Gocrypto, you have your virtual balance here, your free funds, your invested, your profit here, all the stuff here. But if you want to withdraw to your Binance account, like what I said before, the app or the platform itself deals with simulation. So meaning you're not actually handling real money here, but you are really seeing actual trends right now on the crypto space here. So maybe like for BNB, for Bitcoin, Bonk, or Cardano here, you should be able to see the real-time prices for it. So just basically speaking, it's a simulation app that allows you to simulate actual trading. Now, if you want to withdraw to Binance here, like what I said before, it's a simulation app and it's not possible. Now, unfortunately, that's how in this case Gocrypto is set up in here, and we can't do much about it. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.